class 9. Today I am going to teach you chapter 5, natural vegetation and wildlife. Last day I taught you till tropical deciduous forest. Today we will start from the thorn forest and scarps. The thorn forest of India specially you can found in the arid and semi-arid region of India, where rainfall is less than 70 centimeter, and in thorn forest region they consist variety of grasses and shrubs. Trees have long roots to get moisture, and they have thick and small leaves to minimize evaporation, especially in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, where we can found the thorn forest and shrubs, especially acacias, palms, euphorbia and cacti type species which we found in the thorn forest region, and some common animals are present in the thorn forest regions like rats, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, camels and etc. Next category, which is montane forests, which is known as also mountain forest, and we can found these types of forest in the mountain region of India. With decrease in temperature with increasing altitude, altitude means height, this make different types of natural vegetation in this region. Like in 1000 to 2000 meter region we can get evergreen broadleaf trees like oaks, chestnut etc. And in the height 1500 to 3000 meter we can get temperate forest containing coniferous trees. Coniferous trees means straight trees, okay, and some coniferous trees are like pine, deodar, silver fir, cedar, which are present in this region. And in the more than 3600 meter we can get temperate forest and grasslands like silver fir, junipers, pine etc. And in the higher altitude we can get tundra type vegetation, especially mosses and lichens, okay. And this area grazing by nomadic tribes like the Gujjars and the Bakarwals, and some Kashmir stags, then spotted deer, wild sheep, jackrabbit, yak, snow leopard are present in this forest. And the last type of the forest, which is mangrove forest. Mangrove forests are known as also tidal forest. From the name tidal forest you can guess these forests are found in the areas of coast influenced by tide. The main characteristics of mangrove forest, which is roots of the plant submerged under the water, and especially you can get this kind of forest in the area deltas of Ganga, the Mahanadi, the Krishna, the Godavari and the Kaveri. And some plants are present in this forest like sundari, palm, coconut, keora, then agar etc. And some animals are also present in this for mangrove forest like Royal Bengal tiger, tortoises, then crocodiles, gharials and snakes. Now some medical plants also present in our India. Some medical plants are like sarpagandha, jamun, arjun, babul, neem, tulsi plant and kachnar. Sarpagandha, which is used to treat blood pressure, and jamun, which is used for controlling diabetes, and arjun, which is used to regulate blood pressure, babul used as cure for eye sores, then neem, which has high antibacterial properties, which is used as a antibacterial or antibiotic. Now next is tulsi plant, used to cure cough and cold, and the kachnar is good for digestive problems and used to cure asthma. This table is very much important for your exam, okay, this medicinal plants table. Now next topic of this chapter, which is the wildlife. India has more than 90,000 animal species, and the country has more than 1200 species of birds. There are 2500 species of fish. Elephants are found in the hot wet forest of Assam, Karnataka and Kerala. Then one-horned rhinoceros also live in swampy and marshy lands of Assam and West Bengal. And India is only country in the world that has both tigers and lions. The natural habitat of the Indian lion is Gir forest in Gujarat, and tigers are found in the forest of Madhya Pradesh and Sundarbans of West Bengal and Himalayan region. And Ladakh's freezing high altitudes are a home to yak, the shaggy horn wild ox, the varal, wild sheep, etc. And in the rivers, lakes, and coastal areas, turtles, crocodiles, and gharials are found. Okay, but in present day, wildlife faces lots of problems. Like every species has a role to play in the ecosystem. Hence, conservation is essential. About 1300 plant species are endangered and 20 species are extinct. The main causes for this major threat to nature are hunting by greedy hunters for commercial purposes. To protect the flora and fauna of the country, the government has taken many steps. Those steps are like the government has set up 18 biosphere reserves to protect the flora and fauna of the country. Then botanical gardens by government since 1992. Then some projects like Project Tiger, Project Rhino, and many other eco-developmental projects have been introduced. And 103 national park, 535 wildlife sanctuaries, and zoological gardens are set up to take care of natural heritage. Okay, so that's it for this chapter. Next day I will provide you some question answer regarding this chapter. Thank you.